Today, I'll walk you through how to sort and filter data in Google Sheets, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to organize your data efficiently so you can make informed decisions with ease. To get started, open your Google Chrome browser. This is the gateway to accessing Google Sheets. Just like opening a door to a well-organized room, it sets the stage for your data management. Next, navigate to Google Sheets. You can either create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one. Think of this step as choosing a blank canvas or a pre-painted one for your artwork. Both options allow you to create something beautiful. Once you're in your spreadsheet, it's time to select the cells that you want to filter based on their category. Click and drag your mouse over the relevant data. This is similar to highlighting text in a book to emphasize important information. Now, right-click on the selected cells and choose the option to create a filter. This action is like putting a lens over your data, allowing you to see only what you need. Filters help you focus on specific information, making your analysis much clearer. After creating the filter, you'll notice small icons appear in the header row of your selected data. Click on these icons to customize your filtering options. You can filter by values, conditions, or even color. Think of it as sorting your laundry by color and fabric type before washing. Finally, once you've applied your filters, take a moment to review the results. If you need to adjust your filters or clear them entirely, simply return to the filter icons and make your changes. Remember, it's totally normal if this takes a moment. Practice makes perfect. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.